Day trading looks glamorous from the outside. Those screenshots of massive profits, the green candles flashing like money is growing on trees, and influencers telling you that all you need is their strategy to earn a full-time income from home. But the truth, nobody tells you is that day trading is one of the toughest psychological games on the planet, and the market will expose every weakness you have. People think the challenge is learning chart patterns or indicators, but in reality, the hardest part is fighting your own brain. The fear that stops you from entering a perfect setup. The greed that forces you to stay in a winning trade too long. The frustration that convinces you to revenge trade. And the FOMO that pushes you into horrible entries because you don't want to miss the move. No one tells you how mentally exhausting it is to watch a trade go against you by a few cents, and suddenly your heart is racing, your hands are sweaty, and you're questioning every decision you've ever made. No one tells you how lonely it feels staring at your screen for hours, waiting for the perfect setup, only for it to appear the moment you look away, or when you convince yourself today is too slow. I'll just try something random. They don't tell you about the mornings where you wake up confident, only to blow half your account by noon because your emotions hijacked your strategy. They don't tell you that the real battle isn't the market, it's you. Your discipline, your patience, your impulses, your ego, and the voice in your head that keeps whispering, just one more trade. You'll have days where you feel like a genius, and days where you question your entire life. You'll celebrate small wins, and then lose them all in minutes if you stop following your rules. You'll realize quickly that there is a massive difference between knowing a strategy and being able to execute it under pressure. Day trading exposes how disciplined you really are. Can you wait for your setup while the entire market is moving without you? Can you accept a small loss without trying to immediately make it back? Can you walk away when you're emotional? Most people can't, and that's why most people lose. What nobody tells you is that day trading is not an income source at the beginning, it's tuition. You pay the market to learn, and it's expensive if you let your emotions run the show. But those who make it, they treat trading like a business, not a lottery ticket. They understand risk management is more important than any winning strategy. They risk 1% or less per trade, journal their trades religiously, and know that consistency beats excitement every time. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The reason so many traders fail is because they want fast money, not slow mastery. They want results before discipline. They want profits before patience. But day trading doesn't reward speed, it rewards self-control. The market doesn't care about your rent, your goals, your dreams, or how badly you want to quit your job. It only cares about your decisions. And when you finally accept that day trading is not about prediction, but reaction, not about being right, but being responsible, everything changes. You stop chasing every candle. You stop trying to force a trade. You start respecting your stop loss. You start walking away when the market is choppy. You start understanding that missing a trade is a win, and overtrading is a loss. This is the truth nobody tells you. Day trading is not for people who want excitement, it's for people who want discipline. It's not for people who panic under pressure, it's for people who can stay calm while their